how to make homemade vegetable seasoning powder. I'll be using garlic, sweet peppers, carrots, spring onions, parsley. I will have everything nicely clean and slice them very thin so they can dry easily. I'm using sweet peppers. You can use bell peppers as well. And if you don't have parsley where you live, you can skip it. Once everything are nicely sliced, transfer them inside a tray, spread them out, place it under the sun to dry. You can use a dehydrator to dry them as well. I will also be using salt and sugar. 2 days later, all of the vegetables are nicely dried. I will then transfer them inside a large bowl. Mix them together. Transfer them inside a blender. Add the sugar, salt, cover and blend it dried. The vegetable seasoning powder is well blended. Transfer it inside a bowl. Here I have the dried parsley, which I did not blend with the rest of the ingredients. I'll go over it with my hands and break it. You can blend it if you prefer. Add the dried parsley. Mix everything together and the vegetable seasoning powder is ready. Transfer it in an airtight container. This vegetable seasoning powder can last from 6 months to a year, and you can use this for all your cooking. This vegetable seasoning powder tasted so delicious. It will take your dish to another level of deliciousness. Thank you all so much